You looking for me, Top Cat?
Benjamin, my boy, we were just deciding what flavor ice cream you were going to buy for us with your dollar. You still have a dollar, don't you?
Sorry, TC. I bought a pocket air conditioner with it from a very nice man in a checkered suit.
Oh, I'm almost afraid to ask, but did this gentleman carry his samples in a valise? And was his store on the corner of Broadway and 51st on the sidewalk?
That's him.
Oh, no. And this is the air conditioner, huh? Revolutionary, compact, requires no electricity?
This is it.
Oh, boy.
Like, what's the gimmick, Top Cat?
Benny is the last of the all-day suckers, that's what. He has just been baited, bagged, buncoed, conned, heisted, and flim-flam.
But it was so hot, I thought we could all benefit from an air conditioner.
Don't worry, the pistachio is not all lost yet. There must be other nuts like you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, come in a little closer while
I'll take two.
Not yet, not yet. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the little giant pocket air conditioner, 6 inches long, only half an inch deep, and yet capable of turning the warmest summer day into an Arctic autumn. Step closer, sir. You're blocking traffic. All possible through the miracle of miniaturization, the same miniaturization developed by Cape Canaveral scientists for space capsules.
Now?
Now.
I'll take two.
I'm sorry, sir. I've already sold you one, and I am forbidden by fair trade practices to sell more than one to a customer.
Air conditioner, you say?
Exactly, sir.
No moving part?
Completely anti-electronic.
And something in this small box can keep you cool?
Caution, use only as directed. Overindulgence may become habit-forming and lead to frostbite.
How much is it?
As a special advertising promotion, we are introducing the little giant pocket air conditioner for not $1, not 75 cents, not even a quarter, but one thin $5 bill.
$5?
That's for the special embossed leather executive model. The genuine imitation finish costs $4 less.
$1? All right, here.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you want it in surgery. Aunt Agatha is thinking fast and calling for you.
I'm sorry, sir. I must run to her side. But full directions are included. If you are not completely satisfied, all your hot air will be cheerfully refunded.
Here are the directions. Hold little giant air conditioner at point A, spreading refrigerant fins point B in clockwise direction. Hold mechanism in front of face and start cooling process by waving gently in north-south direction. Repeating, out goes the bad air, in goes the good air. Out goes the bad air, in goes the good air. If I wasn't the beloved mayor of this town, I'd swear I'd been baited, bagged, buncoed, conned, heisted, and flim-flammed.
Yes, sir. Nothing lowers the temperature on a hot summer day like a nice quart of pistachio ice cream. Thanks a lot, Benny.
Yeah, thanks.
Benny.